Hi everyone. Let us learn some of the important breathing exercises today. Because of the climatic changes, we find lot of people complaining about breathing difficulties and especially the elder ones in the home. It's very simple, very effective, easily adaptable, very cost effective techniques that anybody in the home can follow it. So, for which you require straws, an empty glass and papers of different thickness to do your breathing exercises. So let us not delay and start learning some of the simple and effective breathing exercises techniques. So with the help of empty glass, let us start with your inspiration technique or intake of breath technique, for which you will have to put the straw one or a straw of an larger diameter into the glass, empty glass, and imagine you are sucking in a glass of water or a juice and start gulping it in. With this method. So do this for 10 times and then take a straw of a smaller diameter and repeat the same technique. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, do it for 10 times and repeat it for 2 to 3 times daily. This holds good for your inspiration technique or intake of your breath technique. Now let us learn very effective and very cost effective expiration techniques or breathe out techniques, for which, as I said earlier, we need paper of different thickness but of the same diameter. So let us start with the thinnest one now. Hold it in front of your mouth and start blowing it, and make sure you increase the distance when you start blowing it out. Do it in this method. This is for the first paper thickness. Same thing will do it for the other paper thickness also. Now coming to your third paper thickness, hold it in front of your mouth and just keep blowing it out. Now with the fourth paper thickness, start blowing it out. Do repeat this tissue blowing or paper blowing for your expiration technique by changing the distance. Do's and don'ts when you do this breathing exercises are very important. The first do is anybody in the home can do it. The second do is it improves your lung expansion techniques. So it is very important, anybody can do this. Don'ts are also similarly so important. So the first don't is make sure you do these exercises prior your meal, and because when you do it post your meal, make sure it is half an hour gap is given, because sometimes it might aspirate or choke your breathing and you might land up in some of the breathing difficulty problems. So make sure you follow these simple exercises and very adaptable techniques to maintain your breathing. Thank you.